Hello, welcome. I'm Bob Baker, and today I'm thrilled to share with you 5 powerful journaling prompts that can truly change your life. If you're listening to this, there's a good chance you already have a journaling practice, but if not, maybe this recording will encourage you to start one. Because journaling, the act of actually writing your thoughts down on paper, is an incredible tool for self-discovery, personal growth, and emotional healing. It allows you to explore your thoughts and feelings, gain clarity, and set intentions for your life. The simple act of writing can unlock insights and help you understand yourself on a deeper level. Before we dive into these prompts, I invite you to take a moment to clear away any distractions. Do your best to find a quiet space where you can relax, open your mind, and fully engage in this process. So if you're ready, let's begin. Prompt number 1 is, I feel most at peace when. And I want you to complete that sentence. Take a minute to reflect on this. When do you feel a deep sense of calm and tranquility? What activities, environments, or people contribute to your sense of peace? I feel most at peace when. Journal prompt number 2, I feel truly alive when. Think about the moments when you feel most vibrant and full of life. What experiences make you feel exhilarated and fully present? So complete the sentence, I feel truly alive when, and list as many things that come to mind. Prompt number 3, my creativity flows best when. So reflect on the times when your creative energy is at its peak. What conditions or activities help you tap into your creative potential? Those times when you're in the zone, in a state of flow. My creativity flows best when. Prompt number 4, I feel most connected to others when. Consider those times when you feel a strong bond with those around you. What interactions or shared experiences create this sense of connection? I feel most connected to others when. Finally, prompt number 5, I experienced the most joy when. Write as many things as you can about the activities and moments that bring you the greatest happiness and fulfillment. What brings a smile to your face and warms your heart? I experience the most joy when. So those are the 5 prompts, but I have one more important activity for you. And this is the part that will make this exercise truly life-changing. I want you right now to look over the answers that you wrote down and reflect on them and see if you can identify any patterns or gain any insights from what you wrote. Now, choose one thing you can activate in your life today or this week to bring more peace, aliveness, creativity, connection, or joy. Surely there's at least one thing on that list that you can act upon and manifest in your life today. Thank you for joining me on this journaling adventure. If you found this recording helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, follow for more inspirational recordings like this. And please visit my website and subscribe to my Abundant Life newsletter. You'll get a free ebook download, 6 free affirmation and meditation MP3 recordings, along with more inspirational messages from me to help inspire and empower you. Just visit bobbakerinspiration.com to get those right now. I wish you the best. Have an amazing day. So long for now.